What's up, 757? Let's go check out Norfolk ReCycle Factory. Watch out.
Yeah, we got the moves, and we're throwing it back. Yeah,
What's up, 757? I am here at Norfolk ReCycle Factory. Okay, I'm with Stefan and Jeremy. Nice to meet you guys.
You too.
Stefan, this place is all about bikes. Like, what you got going on here?
Well, we have a nice little collection of used bikes. One of the biggest things we do is recycle bikes. We get a multitude of things. We buy bikes, donate them, have them donated. But yeah, our big thing is recycling, keeping them out of the landfills, and making something old new again for people.
That's awesome, man. So why do you guys do that? Jeremy, you want to talk about this?
Well, I mean, with that in mind, it's really just passion. I mean, in addition to used bikes, we also do all levels of service, as well as custom wheels and anything you want.
Cool. It's about to get super nerdy, but that's okay because this is what we want to learn about. All right, Jeremy, tell me your passion. Go ham about what you're doing here with this bike.
All right. Well, it came in just for rewiring his dynamo here, which we decided to go ahead and route internally through the fork for him. And in that process, he decided on a tail light as well. So from there, everything's wired into the headlight. And we bring it back to the tail light installed on the rear. Aimed up, we got a little plug here, and then it's all tied into some heat shrink that brings it along with the brake cable housing to the front, just to kind of keep everything a little tidier.
When you turn the wheels, do the lights turn on?
The front wheel is the motor.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
If you could give me like a one sentence, like what you feel about this shop and what it has done to the community, what would that be?
I'd say bringing life to and bikes back to the community for everybody.
That's awesome. How about you, Jeremy?
Normalizing bikes as a way of life, as well as a tool and a toy.
Guys, when I'm here, it makes me want to ride a bike. I don't know why. I mean, literally when you come in here, it's like super nostalgic. So if you are a professional bike rider, if you're just going to do it like on the side as a hobby, or if you've never ridden a bike before, you got to come check this place out, man. I literally feel the love. I feel the passion. I feel the community. So come check out Norfolk ReCycle Factory. 757 out.